Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to switch and put the values into the row groups in a matrix rather than in the column. Stay tuned, but before we start, let's watch my intro. What I have on my screen is the final report that we're going to create. So this is just a matrix, and what I have placed in there are the calendar year on the columns, and you can see in here that I also have the categories on the rows. And notice as well that my values are placed onto the rows rather than on the column. So I'm going to put in a matrix in here, and I'm going to put the calendar year onto the columns, and I will place the category onto the rows. Now watch the behavior, how the values are placed onto a matrix. I'm going to put in the total sales onto the matrix, and you will see that it went and placed that onto the columns. I'm going to put in the gross margin. There you go, placed again onto the columns, and then the profit margin, which went again onto the column. And that's not what we wanted. We wanted those values to be placed onto the rows that will look like this matrix. So how do we do that? Choose the matrix, go into the properties of the matrix, and I'm just going to turn off the row subtotals, and then go into the values, and then expand the options. And all we need to do is turn on the switch values to rows. And that has pivoted our matrix to put the values onto the row area. And that's how easy it is to put your values into the row groups rather than in the column groups in your matrix. I hope you liked this session. If you did, please hit that like button and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.